Babe. Can you get... That's weird, hold on. I'm not getting any response out of the controls here. Can you grab the checklist from the side? Sorry, babe. Just don't panic. The next one, over. Page 2, we might have to land in the field, I'm not even kidding you.
This one, forced landing.
Yes.
Verify flight ring is engaged.
Got it?
Initiate ring engagement process, follow steps 11 to 14.
Okay, got it.
Fuel selector valve both checked.
Oh, we're getting some response.
You're lying.
What's go on?
There's a pass.
Go on, please.
I hate you!
Hun? Can you please tell me, can you keep reading to the steps, hun?
Will the pilot is the man who loves the passenger forever, Chad.
Keep going, babe.